Thank you.
How
You've
was
been a good
the
coach.
how was this experience like?
This was like, for me, it was like I will never do anything else now. So no weightlifting, especially no weightlifting for the lower body. And I now know just I'm not 100% healed now, but now I really know, and I'm so convinced that this is the right way, and I can, because all the other methods I tried before, I was always skeptical, and they never helped. And this is like I was trying with the knee like 3 years, and then Roma 4 years, some of this usual methods, usual treatments, and now we do like 3 months, and the thing is healed to 90%. So that's really incredible, and you can see the improvements from week to week. And usually the doctors told me, yeah, let's just wait 3 months and then we see again, and maybe we, and I'm almost healed in 3 months now. So
Good.
and I thought, now you told me how those feet should look, like a developed hyper arch feet should look. And I remembered my brother always had this kind of toes, and he was always, and he said he has always glute soreness after the games, and he was very athletic and he had no injuries. I just want to say thank you to you, and that you, once I was so skeptical before, I
Yes.
think you remembered, and then so, and you were just do the coaching call and just do maybe 5-6 weeks, and then you would see it. And I'm really happy that I did it, and that you said it to me and you encouraged me to do this. So
Yeah.
no, otherwise I would still be with it 50% knee and all the taping and painkillers, and I don't know, maybe quit football in 1 year because of all this. And now I can really enjoy it now. And there was this moment I was always wishing this, that I am doing in training. Sometimes it hurts, or sometimes it's tingling a bit. That's no problem. But in the games, I didn't want to feel it in the games. And then like 5 weeks ago, there was this first game I played again, and I didn't think about the knee. I just played, and it was so much fun. And then I remembered about this, last year, and this was my like the biggest wish, just to play soccer again and don't think about the knee, don't feel it, and just and it's so great. It's just
Well, the wish come true.
yeah.
Yeah. The
But many
body.
people don't do this, so
Yeah.
they
Some
just
people, they think it's too easy. They just don't do it.
yeah.
I don't know. There could be a variety of reasons, but you know, at the end of the day, is what they want for their body, and can they work? Some people do other people's exercise. They also help, but it keeps on coming back, right? So the goal of this one is like you keep on transforming your body. So once your body becomes fully fascial driven, you don't need to do anything. It's just there. It just protects you. So you don't have to worry too much about, as long as you're using the hyperarch mechanism correctly, you should be fine.
Yeah. Yes, because before I did some programs of the knees over toes guy. I don't know if you know him.
Yeah.
He had a lot of success stories too, but I couldn't do his exercises. It was always, if I'm doing that, the knee was so inflamed, and so the next like 3 days. And then I was riding with them and said, I have training on 2-3 times training of soccer. And then he said, do on the other days, do these exercises. And I did them, and after 2 weeks, the knee was so bad, like it was never before, because
Yeah.
It was always irritated and always do this thing of, and he said, yeah, just do the pain-free stuff. Only in the, as long as it's pain-free, it's okay. And it's never pain-free. So how can I do this?
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. I mean, because the underlying condition is different from person to person.
uh,
When you have knee pain, there's like muscular based issues, right? Those I believe if you do his stuff, it should work. But there are some issues that are like neuroma, for example. You have neuroma, like they don't know you have neuroma. There's no way.
yeah.
That's more on the fascia side. And there's also the compensation. Everyone has different compensation. How you move is different. Everyone's a little different. So you have to really tailor made for everyone, just to change a little bit. Then you're gonna get good results. But unfortunately, it's the model that they have is impossible to do that.
Yeah. Yeah, in Roma, I think the only thing when you were searching online, and the only relief was the toe sprayers, and nothing else helped. And now you're training.